Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends and users you follow can send you a message on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click settings, now click privacy, and here you will find who can message me. Click on it. Now here you will find friends and users I follow. Just click on it like this, and as you see it will be saved. That's how to make friends and users that you follow can send you a message on your account, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.